In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GitHub account. Whether you're just starting with coding or you want a central place to manage projects, creating a GitHub account is the first step. I'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official GitHub website by typing github.com into the address bar. Make sure you see the secure lock icon next to the URL so you know you're on the real site. The homepage may highlight trending projects or features, but what we need is right at the top of the page. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Sign Up button. This takes you to the account creation flow. You might see multiple ways to get started, but to keep things quick and convenient, we'll use the option to sign in with an existing Google account. Using Google helps you avoid creating and remembering another password, and it keeps the sign-in process streamlined across devices. Now, click Continue with Google. A small window or a new tab will appear from Google asking you to choose an account. Select the Google account you want to associate with GitHub. If you're working on professional projects, consider choosing your work-linked Google account. If this is for personal learning and experiments, your personal Google account might be a better fit. After selecting your account, review any permissions that appear. These allow GitHub to confirm your identity so your account can be created securely. If prompted, complete your usual Google security checks, such as two-step verification. Once you confirm, you'll be redirected back to GitHub. At this point, your GitHub account is set up using your Google identity. If you see a brief setup screen, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish. The site may personalize your experience based on your interests, but you don't need to make any advanced choices right now. If you're unsure, everything can be adjusted later in your settings. You're all set. From here, you can start exploring repositories, browsing code, and familiarizing yourself with how projects are organized on GitHub. If anything doesn't load correctly, a quick browser refresh usually fixes it, and trying a different browser can help if pop-ups were blocked during the Google sign-in. That's the whole process. Go to GitHub, click Sign Up, and continue with Google. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new GitHub account.